Good morning, traders. Today is Saturday, September 9th. Let's just get straight to the point. On Monday, what I believe the pattern is going to be, it's going to look almost identical to yesterday. It's going to be a rainbow. Up and then down. Essentially like a pump and dump, I guess, if you want to call it that. That's the move. Watch for futures on Sunday night, overnight, to grind upwards. You're going to see some more slides on that a little bit later as evidence. So, I tweeted a couple days ago. You'll see the actual slide that I tweeted a couple days ago in a little bit, a few moments. But what happened yesterday morning? See that level right there? 447675. Boop. Kissed it perfectly. Then came down, make a higher low. Then here, kissed that bull bar. Remember, you guys, what are bull bars? You touch the bar, you're signaling you're going higher. Therefore, up, down, up, down. That's going to be the pattern on Monday. I think it's going to touch this 448550, which is actually the most important bull bar that I identified even 2 days ago. That's why that bar is bolded. This bar is more important than this one. You touch this bar, which I think it's going to pump intraday until it gets it, and then it's going to make a lower low. Basically, look for it to go, remember, we've talked about this before too, guys, on Twitter. Higher low, higher low. It's going to make higher low, higher low, higher low. Surge and then touch it. Then it's going to make a lower low than the higher lows that you were making over here. Okay? That's what the pattern is going to be on Monday. So, that's what that tweet's all about. Now, check this out. This is the 1 hour futures. And what we're looking at here is on Thursday, September 7th, higher low notch. What have I always been preaching since January? Higher low notch on the 7th, the morning of, and that coincides with SPY 433.00. You'll see a tweet on that too. I called that out. I said, you guys watch for this level. It's a magical level. Tweeted that out on Thursday morning, actually. I called out this level before SPY surged from it. You'll see it. You'll see it in a couple slides. Okay? So, now, why is this also the bottom? Look at that MACD, guys. Above zero line, curling up. Curling up. Above the zero line. You gonna tell me that's bearish? Upwards grind. Grind, grind, grind. Grind, grind, grind. That's where it stopped on Friday. You gonna tell me that's bearish? EMA 50 line. 1 hour EMA 50. Look what it's doing. Up. Failed back test. It's gonna make an attempt to go up again. And then it's gonna back test. You see what it's doing? It's chopping upwards. Not downwards. It's building energy, as you see here, up, 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 up. See, look at the MACD. It's going up, chopping up, chopping up. Because it's getting ready to surge. That's why. But it has to chop first. It has to do some chopping. It can't just, it's not a V shape. It's not like boom, boom, like that, right? Here's the bottom on Thursday, 9/7, right here. SPY 433.00. It's not just going to go boom, boom. It's got to go boom, 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 and then boom. Okay, that's how it always goes, guys. That's just how it works. You have to chop first to build energy, right? That's what it's doing. Higher, low, up, down, up, down, up. See it? There you go. So if you're shorting it, you might want to reconsider. Just saying. Okay. Yeah, this was Friday, yesterday. So intraday. Basically, I predicted actually it was going to go up because I got calls. I got calls pretty much at opening bell. I said, boom, scale long. Okay. And it did go up. But what I had, the pattern that I had in mind intraday was that it was going to stair step up, stair step higher low, then lower low. But instead, what it did was it just went pretty much like up. But then it made a descending wedge, right? Descending wedge to make a lower low. But in either case, it's making a lower low. That's what I knew it was going to make a lower low somewhere. It just went deeper than I thought, right? The lower low on Friday, you guys know where it closed. It closed all the way down here. But in the macro picture, all the way down here is still a higher low than yesterday. See what I mean? Okay, so yeah, temporally it was off the mark. Temporally, I thought it was going to surge up into closing bell, but it saved the move up until after closing bell. So that's where my prediction was off the mark temporally, timing wise. But overall direction, yeah, it was what I thought it was going to be. So look for the same. I'm not saying it's going to make a descending wedge on the way down on Monday, but it is going to be up and then down. We're going to go over the rainbow and then we're going to fall off the rainbow. Okay, so that's what's going to happen on Monday. Now, here's some examples of upwards grind from, yeah, on the right-hand side right here. This is May 17th to June 8th. Grind, grind, up, up, down. Grind, grind, up, up, down. Oops. So, there you have it. Upwards grind. Upwards grind. This is yesterday. This is Thursday. Upwards grind. Okay, look at the MACD. This is the 65-minute MACD. Hits right there. Okay, so good examples. More examples. What are the dates here? Well, this would have been through today. So basically, since beginning of September, end of August. Look at the upwards grind. Up. Surge, down, up, surge, down, up. You see now? You got to see the pattern, guys. This is the kind of stuff that I look at nowadays. I no longer react intraday. I don't do that anymore. In fact, my thinking intraday now is, yeah, that's about what I thought. See? I no longer react. I'm no longer in reactionary mode. I'm more in like, it should go up and then down, or down then up, or whatever. Or I think we're going to chop today. Okay? So, it's good stuff, guys. You got to pay, it's, yeah, I guess you just got to get used to looking at charts. That's all I can tell you. So, here, let me do one more thing before I move on. Previous slide. Okay, look at this. This is the 65-minute. Yeah, this is the 65-minute chart. So, see how it's grinding up, grinding up under EMA 50. And what do I always say? Anytime you grind up under EMA 50, what happens? You push up. Grind up under EMA 50, you push up. Look at the breakout points. It's at EMA 50. Boom. Boom. And guess where we are as of last Friday? Okay? So, yeah, I mean, there you have it. So, okay, this would have been, let's see, the 7th, Thursday. Yeah, the 7th. That Thursday, the 7th, at the end of the day, just after market close. I said, I'm 80% sure, 44300 is the bottom of the September 1st FAFO. Remember FAFO, F around and find out that drop. So, approximately almost a week later, we've bottomed. Okay? Now, keep in mind now, in order for the market maker to keep this uptrend alive, it has no choice. No choice. Literally no choice but to go back and reclaim the September 1st 453.67 FAFO Friday high. It has no choice. If you start turning down now, then this whole uptrend for 2023 is over. It's over. Okay? It has no choice now. But as I just showed you in the previous slides, the MACD and those upwards consolidation patterns are not bearish. It's bullish. Okay? So, okay, yep, just saying I'm calling the bottom, 443. Yeah, that was just Friday morning before opening bell. All right. Okay, this was Thursday. Yeah, Thursday morning. Right here. I tweeted earlier than this. I tweeted when it was about like right here. Right here. I said, you guys, 44300, watch for this level. This is the magical level. Watch for this level. Watch for this level. And what happened at this level? Kaboom! Oops. Sorry. Click the mouse button. Kaboom! Take off. Okay? That's a magical level, guys. That's what I'm saying. That was the right call. 44300. You don't get this type of reaction under just a typical standard intraday pivot point, like a main channel line or something. This level was magical for a reason, and it showed. And we have not been below that level since. Okay? So, I want to point out, I don't believe in overbought, oversold conditions. Because actually, when you think about last 1, 2, 3, we were falling for 4 days, 4 consecutive trading days. At what point would you have called it oversold? My point is, oversold is completely arbitrary. Now you're using your criteria to make a judgment on what you think is oversold, when instead you need to reverse your thinking and use the market maker's criteria. What level is the market maker trying to reach? What is the target level? 44300 is the target. 44300 is not arbitrary. It is not subject to debate, as you see here. That's just the way it is. It's not arbitrary because it's accurate. Accuracy is not debatable. All right, so, okay, yes, here we go. This, I tweeted this a couple days ago. Yeah, a Wednesday, September 6th. It was 5:34 p.m. after market close. I drew these lines. I drew 4, 4, 7, 6, 7, 5 2 days ago. I said, you guys, this is a This is a bull bar line. Of course, on that Wednesday, we know it never even touched this line. It went down. Remember that? You guys remember that? It went down into Thursday. It made a lower low into Thursday. It made a lower low into Thursday to hit that 44300 on Thursday. Okay, so this was Wednesday when I drew 447675. But then, as you saw in one of the first slides, 44675 is what it hit yesterday. Boop, kissed it. Remember that? Kissed it, and then it went down. That means it's going higher. Going higher. It wants 448550 now. I believe it's going to hit it on Monday. And then it's going to turn down again. It's going to do it. Okay? So, and I leave you with this. Why does Skynet consistently or almost impossibly win over humanity? In this case, you could view it as the market maker over traders. If you find yourself being consistently beaten by the market maker, you need to just ask yourself why. Where are your blind spots? You need to start reflecting. That's what I've been doing. Okay? What's stopping you from beating the market? Consistently beating the market. So, just wanted to point that out there as a conceptual message. That's all I've got for you guys today. Feel free to follow me on Twitter, where I give real-time updates, tweets of my intraday trades. Don't forget to listen to your favorite music while you are trading. Helps you get in the right flow state, the right state of mind. Please give this video a like, share, subscribe, or click to be notified when I release something new. With that, I'm Agent 000, signing off.